Alright, so the title of this video is kind of a joke, but not really at the same time. Basically, probably like a couple months ago, there was an update to Windows Defender, and it pretty much patched every script that disables Windows Defender. Um, so with mine, basically the services don't get disabled, and they keep running. Um, the like Windows Security Center or whatever it's called uh, is disabled, but pretty much everything in the background is still running, so it kind of defeats the purpose of the script. Um, so this is pretty much how I fix that. Um, and yeah, basically, I mean the title of the video is a joke, but they do say AI enhanced protection, so whatever. Basically, this script is going to disable real-time protection for you automatically. Now, this can't be done with just like a command or something because Windows Defender has tamper protection, which isn't um, like that's also you can't disable tamper protection with the script, obviously, hence the name. So this is how I got around that. So I'll show it on the virtual machine and kind of talk about like some limitations, um, when this should be used, and some things that if this is too buggy for most people, I may have some other workarounds that I've thought of if this doesn't work out. So yeah. Alright, so here we are on the virtual machine. It's full screen, so it looks like, my actual operating system. But anyways, word of caution, like when the script is running, don't move your mouse or press your keyboard or anything. It does take control of the keyboard and uses the arrow keys to navigate. So just let it do its thing. Um, yeah, so I'll just run it and show you what it looks like. So it's gonna ask for admin, of course, and it's gonna disable UAC if you haven't disabled it, just to skip the prompt that pops up when you actually disable real-time protection. And then here, it's just going to press the arrow keys to get to real-time protection like that. And then the rest is unchanged. Everything else is the same as the previous script. So it's already done, and we're just going to restart. So we've restarted. I'll just show the aftermath pretty much. You can see no services for it running. Go to settings, go to security. This is empty. This is just from group policy. The main thing is the services. So we'll go to services here. Disabled ones. So we have these. We have this one and this one. And then all the scheduled tasks are also disabled. So yeah, that's pretty much what it'll look like when you run it. Now, this is meant for a new install of Windows. Pretty much, if you've opened the Windows Security app and have full screened it, it kind of bugs out the script with the arrow keys and stuff, because basically it tries to full screen it and then it moves the starting position of the cursor to different place, and then the arrow keys don't get to the right place. So really this is meant for a new install, I mean, obviously try it and let me know, because I can only test this on my virtual machine and obviously my computer, so I don't know how it'll work with different size monitors, different resolutions, like if you have the graphics driver installed or not. Um, Pretty much it all depends on how the Windows Security app full screens and stuff. Um, so if it's too buggy and it doesn't work for most people, then I'll have to change that to something else. Um, but yeah, as of right now, that's the way to get around it. The other thing is it's undetected. So a lot of other scripts on GitHub and stuff like that, if you download them, try to run them, they're all like already registered in the Defender like database, I guess. So they just get deleted or blocked. This one, you can scan it. It doesn't even recognize that it's technically malicious because it's disabling Defender. Um, so as long as no one reports this, it'll be good. So yeah, and also this is for Windows 10 only. Windows 11, um, I'm just not even gonna bother. You can try using it on there, but it I've made it for Windows 10, so yeah.